What's up, Kuya Broom right here. Another vlog, another content. This time we're gonna go food trip. We're gonna buy some kebab in what we call Yummytime. I'll show it to you with my sister, of course, and my brother-in-law. So we're gonna do it in Stavanger downtown. I'll show it to you in just a bit. So yep, we're here. It's a Yummytime. So I'm gonna go get some. We're gonna go get something to eat. I'll show it to you what we could get. Let's go in. So dito na kami sa loob, and this is the menu. Yes.
So do you want rolls? Show them the picture na lang.
This is the prices. So between 500 to 1,000 pesos some order. We're gonna get some kebab, we're gonna taste it. Yep. So since ito dapat ordering ko this one, pero wala sila available, so dito na ako sa yan, yung pinakita ko doon, this one. And in-order ko para sa akin. I'll show it to you later once it's being made.
15 minutes later.
Everything that you can put. It's up to you. Yeah, everything. So put everything.
Dressing medium?
Yeah, onions and mayo.
Ananas?
No, not bananas. So there, that's how you make it. That's how you do it, right?
Nagutom ako yung tinignan ko pero hindi ko maubos yung buo eh.
Oh, that's why you bought small?
No, I'm not gonna buy it.
Ano? Ay, hindi mo. French fries?
Malaki siya eh. Malaki yun. Hindi ko maubos yun.
So anyways, I'm gonna taste it later.
Good pizza?
In just a bit. So what's up? Naka-order na kami ni sis ng some kind of kebab here. There. That's it. It's so huge. It's very huge. Then kami nag-order sa may Yummytime doon. Yummytime. And I'm gonna taste it a little bit later. And let's find out if it's a good kind of kebab or it's just normal. Pero yeah, tikman natin yan. Dito ako sa downtown. Dito nakabili kami. Dito sa downtown.
Shame they couldn't understand English or Norwegian.
Hindi nag-Norwegian yung magbabantay dun sa cashier, hindi rin nag-English. Hindi namin alam paano order, di ba?
That was new kasi most of them knows English or Norwegian. So,
Yep, so yun. They're not hungry, hindi sila umorder. And napakalaki, hindi kaya ubusin ni Sista. So big, see?
tulungan kita.
Yeah.
Bigay mo sa akin yung half.
Yep, so titikman niya rin mamaya. Video natin siya. Film natin. Okay? I'll see ya!
15 minutes later.
Okay, kebab time. Now they're gonna taste the kebab from Yummytime from downtown. And let's see what we got here.
Okay. So go ahead, sister, and let's show the money. Ooh, wow. Wow, now that we're gonna cut it.
It's a bit empty though.
We have two other
Not
favorite
bad.
places for kebab, but
Yep.
one of them
Yes.
is closed and the other one is in Sanes, which is like 20 minutes drive. So, napunta kami dito sa kebab where they couldn't even speak English or Norwegian.
So we're gonna taste it now.
So, we'll see kung approved yung
Sabay tayo, game.
kebab nila. Naman may dalawang host.
You want some?
Oh, I'll grab some later.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you can taste it too. Let's go. Take it. Oh wow.
Oh, you got a tomato dropping.
Oh wow.
We'll do the jogging after the kebab.
Oh wow.
Explain the taste. How was the taste?
I like the sauce.
Sauce, yeah,
It's not too strong.
right?
It's just neutral. The vegetable, there are a lot of vegetable. It's really good. And the meat, I like the meat. It's not too, it's soft, should I say? But it's a good experience. This one is good. And it's big. Not like in the sa Pilipinas, diba, na medyo maliit lang siya. This one is kind of big. It looks like parang shawarma sa atin na pinalaki lang yung mga toppings and yung bread.
Nice.
Masarap siya kasi gutom ako. At saka, tasty naman siya. And I would give it
Ito.
like 1 to 6 siguro. Anong masasabi mo? Ikaw?
Eh, ikaw ang tinatanong dyan, ba't ako?
Hindi ako maka...
Stop it. Get some help.
Teka lang, I need more bites. Hindi ako maka-decide eh.
Okay, bite more. And it's Moist turn. Get some bite.
Make that nice and compact.
Nice and clean.
Put that meat in there.
Nice and clean.
Simply.
Get some lovely bite. Ooh. Oh, parang si Tom Cruise, actor ng taon, no?
Siguro 1 to 6, maybe I'll give it a 4.
Okay, 4 for you? And how about you?
4.5.
4 and a
I
half.
would say kasi eto wasn't that bad, you know?
Uh-huh.
Etong
Yung pita bread. Yeah.
yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
But
puro am.
compared to what
Puro am.
I'm trying to be nice kasi so
Okay.
I need to think eh. Compared to what I've had, so say 4.
Okay, 4. And what else can you say about it?
I like the dressing on the salad. And I like the salad because I like cucumber. They use cucumber, electrolytes, you know.
But AJ could
You have the
choose.
corn as well.
Yeah.
That sauce really fits in with that corn and salad. That sauce. The meat is very soft.
Yeah.
Like it melts in your mouth. It's a standard kebab meat.
Yep.
I think it's from lamb. It's lamb. Yeah.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So, yeah, actually I chose what to put in there. I said everything, so that's why pack siya. So, yun ang nagustuhan ko naman sa kanila. And it was a nice experience with their kebab.
Yeah, boy.
So, that should be it for now. Watch out for my next vlog, which is this park. This is the one where we're standing, or well, sitting on. Ito yung park na yun, and next vlog ko yun. Itong lake, papakita ko sa inyo sa next vlog ko. So, for now, we are out. Don't forget,
Subscribe.
Like,
Share.
nasabi na lahat eh.
ring the
Ding dong.
bell.
Oh!
Ding ding dong.
Let's do it. We out. Cover it. No, cover it.
Cover.
Cover nga, di ba?
What do you want me to do now?